Hey, we've got a beautiful 1967 Camaro convertible. It has factory air conditioning, factory power steering, and factory power brakes. It's factory ordered in the colors like the pace car of that year, California car, absolutely clean, untouched, rust-free floors, original motor, beautiful car. Go to volocars.com and that's where you'll see 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one has the price tag and the monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, beautiful car. It does have the SS hood on it. Someone's added that. All clean, straight. This hood fits real nice, square, flush. Paint is nice, shiny, ermine white, and it was born that way. It's right on the tag. All this is real nice, clean, straight. Boy, this all fits really well. All of this right on the money. Clean down to the bottom, smooth, nice, square. There's a little chip right there. Opens easily. Jambs are painted nice. Bottom of the door lip is clean as can be. Shuts real nicely. Nice clean quarter panels, crisp lines, all nice and clean. It has a spoiler. I'm sure that was added somewhere along the way. All fits real nice. Look at this square, flush. This side's looking just as good all the way to the bottom. All nice. Look at that, how nice that is. No bubbles, no rust. Bottom of this door clean as well. Shuts real nice, solid. These gaps are right on the money. This body, fit and finish, is excellent. The white paint is excellent. And yeah, this was the colors of the pace car that year. This is not a pace car, but maybe someone ordered it. They ordered it white with the blue because they wanted it to look like the pace car. It has the painted on nose stripe, a metallic blue. Emblem looks like new. The bumper is nice and shiny. The grille looks to be in very good condition. Windshield's been replaced. That's crystal clear. The stainless trim is very good. All very nice. Has a bow tie mirror. It's optional on this door. Vent window frame. Looks like it's nice chrome. Emblems are sparkling. I love the cross flags. It looks real good. The moldings are all shiny and straight. Door handles real shiny. It is a power top. There's pictures of that on our website. It's a white top in really nice shape. They've added a power antenna. Those redline tires are actually BF Goodrich radial tires with the redline. 14 by 7 rally wheels. They look like they're new. All the trim is shiny. Back here, the bumper and tail lights, all that's looking really nice. So why don't we open it up and show you the interior and what's under that hood. All right, we got clean and complete trunk compartment. Painted nicely. It's got the sticker. The jam is nice. Weather strip is replaced. We do have a spare, and you can't see it, but the jack is underneath there. Not that you'd use a bumper jack anymore, but it's all here. Got the mat, and it has the shakers. Shaker cans is what they call them. Convertibles had them. It's just something to do with the balance of the car. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Yeah, jams are clean, weather strips were replaced, door panels were replaced, and the metal trim at the top is repainted. Nice bright blue interior, and again, it was born a blue interior. The dash pads replaced, the chrome looks awfully nice, probably new. Clean original speedometer and gas gauge. Metal has been repainted. The rest of this looks to be in good shape. It does have a cassette stereo. Painted nice. Here's where the sound comes out. Speakers are in the kick panels. Got really nice fitting carpet, reproduction mats. Center console's in excellent shape. Automatic console. Got the little compartment. They did put deluxe seats in here. I love the white stripes on the deluxe seats in 67. The seat backs look like they've been replaced. We got mats back here. Seat belts for the back seat in wall to wall. Looks like it's all reupholstered in real nice shape. And you've seen it has a convertible top boot. Steering wheel's restored, and then we got what looks like new visors and a mirror as well. Just a pretty car. It's a nice, refreshing convertible. Go cruising around on the hot days, put the air on. So it's a California car built in Los Angeles. So they came with a smog pump. And guess what? It's still here. This car has not been monkeyed around with. Normally that went right in the garbage can. It has its original manifolds. It's a two-barrel carburetor under there. How many people have a Camaro with its two-barrel still on it? So again, all authentic. You know, the hoses and clamps and everything looks like it should. This hose with the ribs on it, that's an original hose. That's all part of the smog equipment. Raw fiberglass air condition box, factory air conditioning components. It's all been serviced. Radiator, it looks like an aluminum radiator with the right shroud and everything all looks stock. Got the horns, you got the washer bottle. Power steering down there. Power brakes. This is part of the pollution equipment. The wiper motor, the cowl tag, the squirters, the rubber seal, it's all here. There's a hood insulation. So boy, very unmolested engine compartment. That is the original motor too. It's dated right to this car. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, got a nice and easy cruiser here today. This gorgeous color combo on this thing, the white with the blue interior. You don't see them like this every day, that's for sure. It's got the correct 327 under the hood, automatic transmission. Also has air conditioning, which we do have on right now and is working well, as well as power steering and power brakes too. So again, I got in it this morning. It had been sitting for a couple days, and tapped the gas 3 times, gave it just a little crank on the key, and she fired right up. I've also started it at least 2 more times since then, and didn't even give it any more gas. So again, we're just talking about an easy car. This is it. You can see the power steering, 1 finger. And just the simplicity of use of this vehicle is just tremendous. Nice, quiet idle, very smooth. Well, let's see what she's got. I like that exhaust has a little rumble when you step on it. All right, and just like that, up to 60 miles an hour with absolutely no issue. I tell you, this car is just going to do everything that you want it to do. It has a lot of originality on it, and you'll see that when you look at the pictures of the underbody. Jay tells me that the floors are all original, unpainted, and I absolutely trust his opinion when it comes to that. So, great car. Engine's been rebuilt, runs nice and smooth, and yeah, just a fantastic experience. Somebody's gonna have a lot of fun in this car. Come out, test drive it for yourself, and absolutely check out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
So underneath is very well preserved, maintained as needed. Probably the most impressive part of the car are the floors. They're untouched. They're not even spray painted over. They are the original clean floors. I've seen glossy, painted floors, but someone who knows old cars can really appreciate to see something that's not been touched and is that clean. So clean, rust-free, original, untouched floors. Steering and suspension's working fine. It's been maintained as needed. Looks like they put ball joints up front. The shocks look recent. The sway bar end links look recent. It has air shocks put in the back. Has a nice dual exhaust system that looks recent. Brake system's working good. The hoses look like they're fresh. The e-brake is hooked up. Fuel tank looks real clean. You look up at the motor, it's very clean. The bottom of the motor has the correct canister type oil filter they were still using in 67. The starter looks brand new. We were told by the previous owner the Power Glide transmission, the automatic, has been rebuilt. It has its original rear end. It's a 308 gear, so just a nice cruising gear. This is just a nice, comfortable, reliable, smooth, good-looking convertible to go enjoy. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions like how to get your 67 Camaro delivered to your driveway. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.